Welcome to Chapter 2 of Building the DBT Home Manual. Today I am auditing our junk drawer in the kitchen. I actually have two junk drawers. I have this big one on our island, and then I have a mini one that currently holds a bunch of stuff that shouldn't. It's going to be our utensil drawer. Anyway, here I am doing phase 0 of the clear out. I get so much anxiety opening this drawer. I just feel like it's always so overwhelming because there's so much stuff in it that just doesn't belong. So what I need to do first is get this to phase 0, which is getting it where you can see the wood grain of the drawer. So here I am getting it to that phase 0, clearing it out, both of them. Get both of them to phase 0, clear out the drawer so you can see the wood grain so that we know what we're working with. That's the easy part. Getting it all out is the easy part. Then we're dealing with phase 1, which is the middle work, in my opinion, which is the part where I want to give up. This, in my opinion, is the most overwhelming part because it just looks like there's stuff everywhere and it makes me want to stop. However, phase 1 is also where our DBT skills come into play. Honestly, I had an urge to walk away and just forget about all of this at this point. But phase 1, it's really important to actually continue moving through it all. So, DBT, the skill that we had to practice here, is willingness. Doing exactly what's needed in the moment that it's needed at. So, that's what I was doing here. I was going through each item individually, deciding whether or not it needs to live here in this drawer. And if it did, I put it back in. And that's actually part of phase 2, which is facing and leveling. So, kind of doing phase 1 and phase 2 at the same time. But willingness is the important part here to take away. That's the DBT skill that we're working with. It's doing exactly what's needed in the moment, and I was just accepting that it was a mess and that I had to do this one item at a time. I didn't want to think about the whole thing, about the whole drawer at once. I was just looking at each category at once. And here I am going through the items and putting them in the blue bag, dead stock, so things that did not belong here at all, like a dead camcorder, a long lighter that we were using for something, not candles, because I have a different lighter for candles, old sanitizer bottles, and just like ring sizers, random things that we did not need. And then here at the end, you will see the final result. Thank you so much for watching and being here and helping me build the DBT handbook for the home. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope that you will find value in it when it's completed.